Watch her! Yes, sir! Face away!
Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
I don't got no weapon.
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Watch him, watch.
Welcome to another video. A pursuit is underway. The suspect was driving into oncoming traffic.
You're 15 Central. Yeah. Radio B is not where the northbound.
7514, he's now on the opposite lane of travel.
There, he's now wrong lane, continuing. 52. Just got into the eastbound lanes of travel.
But then corrected direction briefly, only to crash moments later.
Yeah, boy, try to ram police vehicle and continue. We're gonna notify GSP.
7514, he's now entered the other lane of traffic, and now he's just crashed back over to the correct lane. So you can get a helo. 1022, he's wrecking. He just wrecked that radio.
Officers quickly approach the wrecked vehicle, shouting commands. They order the driver to show his hands and keep them visible as the situation remains intense and potentially dangerous.
Okay. Just get away from the car. Come drive. Let me see your hand.
Keep your hands visible! Put your hand up! Watch him! Watch her! Yes, sir! Watch her! Get on the ground! Good! What are you saying? Face away!
Why are you personal? When it's an accident.
Police units are engaged in a high-speed pursuit of a suspect wanted for homicide. The chase begins near Festian and quickly escalates as the suspect enters Garfield Road, weaving through traffic and hitting speeds of 85 miles per hour.
No one's got an eye.
Copy that. Cell phone on. Short session chat.
Looks like he's gonna run, guys. He's on the shoulder.
Copy that. Looking like he's going wrong.
He is running. Wanted for homicide?
Affirmative. Vehicle description again.
It's a great town and country. We're coming up to Harrington. Speeds are 75.
75. Blue light continuing southbound into the light.
Southbound through the railroad tracks.
Through the track.
Speeds are now 80.
Speeds are at 80.
Alright, dispatch, now he's slowing down.
Going down.
Alright, we're picking it back up. We're doing 70. I got several Clinton rollers with me. Alright, we're hitting the brakes. Stand by.
Copy that.
Alright, now he's driving. Okay, stand by.
Anyway.
Through the light at Rudgate, and he's driving into the oncoming lane.
Through the light of Rudgate into oncoming traffic.
Speeds 85 miles an hour. There is no southbound traffic at this point.
Speeds 85, no southbound traffic.
We're approaching a red light, dispatch, southbound at 16.
Approaching the red, southbound at 16.
I got a lot of heavy westbound traffic, guys. Stand by, stand by. Stand by. Alright, dispatch, we're westbound 16. Looks like he's going to hit the flipper. Alright, continuing westbound 16, speeds are now 55 miles an hour. We're through the railroad tracks.
Westbound Metro to the railroad track. Keep 6 ropes back, guys.
Alright, dispatch, approaching westbound at Charter Oaks. I got heavy traffic, speeds are about 80.
Westbound at Charter Oaks, heavy traffic, speeds at 80.
Continuing left lane, speeds are now approaching 90 miles an hour. Dispatch, left lane. Traffic is now thinning out. We're coming up to Moravian.
Copy that, left lane, traffic thinning out, approaching Moravian.
75.
Copy that, approaching Moravian.
Do we have sticks up there, anybody?
We're going to see if maybe we can get some from Sterling.
Okay, this vehicle is occupied twice. I got a passenger also.
Copy, it's occupied 2 times.
You guys good with the 28 on this? Left lane, speeds are now coming to a stop. Stand by, dispatch. We got a lot of traffic approaching Garfield. Alright, looks like he's going to go through the red light. Stand by. We're in the flipper. Hang on, we're in the flipper. Looks like we're going to go eastbound, everybody. Eastbound. Yup, he's in the oncoming lanes, guys. Oncoming lanes.
Sorry, that oncoming lane.
Alright, we're going to be going southbound Garfield from 16, guys. Let Frazier know.
Southbound Garfield. Yeah, southbound Garfield, we're calling Frazier now.
Okay. Speeds are back up to 80 miles an hour. Traffic is thin on Garfield southbound in the left lane.
Copy that.
Dispatch, southbound Garfield left lane. We are now through a street called Festian, coming up the 15-mile road. He's going into the center lane.
Copy that. So southbound Garfield, approaching Frazier, approaching 15. Copy that, through 15.
Speed 70 miles an hour. Speeds are now 85 miles an hour. Dispatch continuing southbound Garfield. Going to be coming up to school zone.
Copy that.
Officers report the vehicle passing through a school zone, heightening the urgency and potential risk to bystanders. Despite the intensity, dispatch confirms that traffic remains mostly clear, and the suspect runs multiple red lights, including the intersection at 14 Mile Road.
Hey, firm, thank you. Going through 14 Mile Road, dispatch. Traffic is totally clear. It's a green light.
Traffic's clear. We're through 14 on Garfield.
Speeds are now 85. We're slowing down. Looks like he's going to pick up Utica.
Copy that. Looking like he's going to get on Utica. Out of North Dakota.
As the vehicle continues southbound, law enforcement prepares additional units ahead to intercept or spikes, strip the suspect if necessary.
Railroad tracks coming up the Grossbeck. I got traffic. Alright, we made it through. Nobody hit anybody.
Made it through.
Southbound Grossbeck, speeds are now 80. We're approaching Common Road. He's in the center lane.
Center lane, southbound, approaching Common.
I think I'm in a position to take him out, dispatch. Stand by.
Copy that, standing by.
Hold up, I'm holding off. I got a lot of traffic coming up. I am not going to take him out at this time.
Copy that, holding off, heavy traffic.
This was a fast-moving and dangerous police pursuit involving a homicide suspect.
Alright, dispatch, we're through 12 Mile. Southbound Grossbeck through 12 Mile.
Southbound Grossbeck through 12.
Alright, he's driving up the center lane, coming up to Martin. We got a lot of traffic. Speeds are slowing down. We're doing 70.
Center lane, 70 through Martin.
Alright, we got a lot of traffic now, dispatch. A lot of traffic. Back in the center lane, southbound through Martin.
A lot of traffic, still southbound through Martin.
Officers had been tracking the suspect as he sped through traffic, initially at 70 to 90 miles per hour, blowing through red lights, weaving across lanes, and nearly causing multiple collisions.
Left lane, left lane.
Left lane, left lane. We got MSP and Warren advised. I don't know exactly where their units are.
10-4, we're through the light, continuing southbound. Stand by, I got traffic, I got to stop work.
That works, still southbound.
Alright, we made it through. I didn't hit anybody, neither did our suspect. Southbound, continuing at 70 miles an hour. Going to be coming up to 10 mile.
Copy that.
Check that Fraser, my apologies.
Copy that, Fraser.
Alright, looks like he's getting ready to go through a red light. Speeds are 90, left lane, southbound Groesbeck.
Still southbound.
Alright, we're now doing 100. He's slowing down, hitting the brakes for traffic.
What's your speed?
We are down to 35 for a red light.
At one point, he slowed to 35 miles per hour, but then caused a rear-end crash at an intersection. Fortunately, no bystanders or officers were hit. When the suspect hit open roadway, police gave the green light to move in and end the chase. The vehicle was finally stopped. Officers approached with weapons drawn, shouting for the suspect to show his hands and comply. Tensions were high. At one point, the suspect shouted profanity but continued to move slowly.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Do not move! Do not move!
Eventually, it was confirmed that one officer, referred to as MC5, was injured during the arrest, prompting an immediate call for an ambulance.
All right, I'm gonna need the ambulance. Start the ambulance.
Copy that, down away. You see one way.
Keep your hands up, motherfucker! You better keep your fucking hands up! You fucking hear me? Keep your fucking hands up! Don't you fucking move! Don't you fucking move! You better keep your fucking hands up! You understand me?
Stop this way.
I don't got no weapons, I promise you.
Climb out on the seat and don't reach for anything. That's how I can fight you.
I'm not. All right. Keep your hands up and keep coming over that seat now. Come over that seat now. Okay, bro. What y'all doing? All right. I don't got no weapons.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Watch it.
But not before putting multiple lives at risk. This was another reminder of how quickly these situations can escalate, and how law enforcement must respond with urgency and precision. Was it worth it? Once again, justice answered loud and clear. Like and subscribe to stay tuned for more adrenaline-packed pursuits from Crime Lens.